Hello everyone. It's time to revise for your first unit test, is it? As of now, I completed one unit fully in English. Is it, children? So, now we start revising first unit. Okay? Come, let's we learn together. I hope you clearly understood the first unit topics. Many of you are responding well and good. Please do response, children. Come, let's we move on to today's revision. Happy morning, children. Welcome back to e-learning. In today's session, we are going to learn first prose question and answer. But before going into today's topic, just I want you to recall previous content also. In previous topic, we learned about sea turtles. Sea turtles live entire life in sea and comes to land only to lay eggs. There are 5 spices found in India. What are the 5 spices? They are olive ridley, weighs up to 35 kg, leatherback, green sea turtle, loggerhead and abacus bill. And what are the dangers they are facing? First one is hunted by people, and second one is pollution, third is dumping of plastics, and fourth one is eaten by. Now we are going to see prose 1, sea turtles. Answer the following. First one is name the spices found in Indian coastal waters. What are the spices we can found in the Indian coastal waters? Do you remember, kids? Yes, there are 5 spices we can found in Indian coastal waters. They are first one, the olive ridley, second one, that is B, the abacus bill, and C1, the green sea turtle, and then D, the loggerhead, and then E is the leatherback. These are the 5 spices we can found in Indian coastal waters. Now we are going to move on. Second question. Second question is, which is the smallest spices among them? Among all these 5, which is the smallest spices? Yes, very good. Answer is the olive ridley is the smallest among them. Its weight up to 35 kg. Is it clear? And we move on to third one. Which is the largest among them? Answer. Which is the largest among all these 5? Very good. The leatherback is the largest sea turtles. It weighs up to 700 kg. Is it clear? It weighs up to 700 kg. And then fourth one. When do olive ridley come ashore for nesting? Between which month it come ashore to lay eggs? Yes, very good, children. Between the months of January and March, female olive ridley come ashore at night to lay their eggs. Is it clear, children? Now we saw all the 4 questions. One more question is there, children. Come, let's we move on to 5th question. There are only 5 question answers. Is it clear? Now we move on to 5th one. Okay, wait. Now we are going to learn 5th question answer. Okay. 5th question is, what are the threats faced by the sea turtle for their survival? Here, threats means problems. What are the problems that the sea turtles faced for their survival? Survival means to continue living. They are asking us what are the threats, what are the problems faced by the sea turtles for their survival. Suggest few solutions to protect them, and they are also asking some suggestions to protect them. First we are going to see about threats. Threats means problems faced by the sea turtles. First one is pollution. And then second one is dumping of plastics. And third one is eaten by predators. And fourth one is hunted by human. These are the problems sea turtles are facing for their survival. Okay, and what can we do to make without any problems? Now we are going to see what are the solutions to protect sea turtles. There are two solutions. First one is should be preserved from predators and human activities. First we should we should save sea turtles from predators and also from human activities. And then we move on to second point. Second one is should reduce the usage of plastics. There are so many problems created by using plastics. So sea turtles also facing some problem because we are dumping plastics into the oceans. See the second point, dumping of plastics. The dumping of plastics also affect the survival of the sea turtles. Survival means to continue living. So if we reduce the usage of plastics, it can be better to save the sea turtles. Is it clear? I hope all the 5 question answers are clear. Okay. Please do your assignment within given time. Today evening itself you should post your homeworks. Homework is read and write first 5 question answers one time. I give you time till tomorrow afternoon 3 o'clock. Within tomorrow afternoon, please submit your homeworks. Kindly write your homeworks and submit it before 3 p.m. tomorrow. Okay, children? I hope you understood all these 5 question answers, children. If you have any doubt, you can clarify with me, children. Thank you, children.